Judge of High Court of Manipur Ahanthem Bimol emphasized that first National Lok Adalat of the year saw 233 cases and it has a capacity to address additional 2,000 cases. District Legal Services Authorities of Imphal East and Imphal West observed National Lok Adalat at the Lamphilpaat Court Complex today. Sponsored by National Legal Services Authority NALSA under the umbrella of the Manipur Legal Services Authority MALSA, the event featured 3 benches to facilitate proceedings. Various cases including pre-litigation cases, bank recovery cases, electricity and water bill disputes, motor accident claims, matrimonial disputes, revenue cases and criminal compoundable offences were disposed of during the program. The benches were chaired by distinguished individuals including N. Lanlaima, presiding officer of the Revenue Tribunal, Monalisa, special judge of NDNPS Manipur, and Laishram Rina, civil judge senior division, Imphal East. Speaking on the sidelines, its judge of High Court of Manipur, Ahanthem Bimol, emphasized the significance of National Lok Adalat, which aims to resolve pending cases in district court complexes 4 times a year. He stated that Lok Adalat provides an avenue for resolving disputes without formal litigation, particularly for cases marked by controversy, and agreements reached through Lok Adalat are considered final and cannot be reviewed or appealed in the court.
National Lok Adalat hai se koi gi court ta leiriba casing natraga sayet nabadi leiraba aduga case oina di file tawdriba adugumba sayet naba dispute mayam achi ekoi gi hairiba Lok Adalat sida refer torpa yai aduga ekoi gi member sing district ki judge sing amasung ukil sing party sing ji laga akoi gi yenariba khanaba chainaba singdo yanaba ma compromise ma purakanda loishanaba sinbani paisa tingdana ukil tingdana loishanaba yaba chainabado aduga kana bamana hairiba yasanaba se amugana court amuk appeal toba review toba yaroi aroibani party ni bigi oina di magi khanaba chainabadu hayanagiba compromise dit adudana aroibo idoini